Welcome to DX1PRS Net Call. Please support DX1PRS Evening Net Call. 145.340 MHz. Monday to Saturday, 8 p.m. to 9 p.m. Monday and Tuesday. NCS, 4 Golf 1 Papa Uniform Romeo, Ruth Boy. Wednesday and Saturday. NCS, Delta Uniform 1 Papa Romeo Foxtrot, Caesar. Thursday and Friday. NCS, 4 Hotel 1 Lima Charlie Uniform, Nelson. Thank you very much for supporting DX1PRS. God bless. 73.
Good evening, fellow hams. Good evening, Philippines. Today is Saturday, 2nd day of January 2021. This is your net control station for tonight, DU1 Papa Romeo Foxtrot, and my name is Cesar. I'm transmitting at Barangay Mayapa, Calamba City, province of Laguna. Working with Yaesu 2900 with a power output of 75 watts. Hook up to X520 antenna approximately 40 feet above the ground. My amateur radio station's license number is Delta Delta Alpha Tango 20-116-2020, valid until December 2, 2023. Welcome to Pyramid Radio Society Incorporated, our club name, and DX1 PRS, our club call sign Evening Net. DX1 PRS conduct its net call every Monday to Saturday starting at 8 o'clock in the evening. The club is registered to Securities and Exchange Commission, licensed and accredited by the National Telecommunications Commission, and a proud member of Philippine Amateur Radio Association. All members of the club are duly licensed by the National Telecommunications Commission. Anyone with emergency, medical, or priority traffic will immediately pull out. Again, anyone with emergency, medical, or priority traffic will immediately pull out. Any announcement from NTC para District 1 Manager, any local amateur radio club, DX1 officers or members, you may call now. Net control station will stand by. Second call, an announcement from NTC para District 1 Manager, any amateur radio club station. DX1 officers or members, you may call now. Net control station will stand by. Okay, hearing none. Let me remind all stations that this is a supervised net. All traffic must pass to the net control station, but emergency traffic, portable and mobile stations will be prioritized. Kindly relay stations I cannot hear when requested. Before we proceed to net call proper, let me first acknowledge the following early check stations. Delta Victor 1 Uniform Lima Mike, Francis and club president. Delta Victor 1 Kilo Whiskey Mike, Alaris, the club vice president. 4 India 1 Tango Lima Oscar Vincent, NCS supervisor. 4 Golf 1 Delta Queen Juliet, Dr. Aina. Delta Whiskey 6 Echo Uniform Golf / DU1 Jean. 4 Golf 1 Queen Alpha Zulu Joy. 4 India 1 Bravo India Jojo, and 4 India 1 Echo Romeo Tango Eric. Okay, let us now begin by calling any portable, mobile, or fixed station who would like to join the net. DX1 Perez, standing by.
DU1 Alpha Zulu Sierra.
DU1 November Tango Zulu.
4 Hotel 1 Lima Charlie Uniform.
Okay, kindly stand by, Nelson, Bani. At unahin mo natin si Delta Uniform 1 Alpha Zulu Sierra. Boy, magandang gabi. Welcome to the X1 PRS Net Call.
Magandang gabi po sa inyo at sa lahat. Nagpapatalala po. Bumabati ng tiklis-tiklis na 73 sa inyo and a happy New Year sa inyo. Sa lahat. No other traffic, Rex, Kerel. Salamat po.
Okay, boy. At tiklis-tiklis din pasasalamat sa walang sawang pagsuporta sa evening net ng DX1 PRS. 73, God bless. Mabuhay at Happy New Year. Your station, Delta Uniform 1 Alpha Zulu Sierra is now clear. Next station from Calamba City, Delta Uniform 1 November Tango Zulu. Bani, magandang gabi. Magandang gabi, John. Magandang gabi sa John 73. QU. Copy likewise, Bani, at maraming salamat sa palagyang pagsuporta sa evening net ng DX1 Perez. 73, God bless. Mabuhay. Your station, Delta Uniform 1 November Tango Zulu is now clear. Next station, one of the net control station ng DX1 Perez, 4 Hotel 1 Lima Charlie Uniform Nelson. Magandang gabi.
Magandang gabi, Tito Cesar. For Delta Uniform 1, Papa Romeo Paxtrack, 4 Hotel 1 Lima Charlie Uniform for the X1 PRS, supporting evening net. Announce ko lang na live po ulit tayo sa FB at pwede po tayo mag-check-in kung di po tayo makapasok sa normal net call. Marami pong salamat. 73.
Copy likewise, Nelson, at maraming salamat sa advice. At mamaya din pag nag-check-in na si Ruth Boy, mapa-announce din at medyo talagang malakas siya. Okay, at maraming salamat sa palagyang pagsuporta sa ating net call activity. 73, God bless. Mabuhay. Your station, 4 Hotel 1 Lima Charlie Uniform is now clear.
Paknalis na lang si DY1 Mike Alfa Romeo.
Okay, acknowledge the station of Mike Alfa Romeo. Your station is now properly logged. Yung pong station na napasabay kay Nelson, magandang gabi po. Okay, 4 Hotel 1, Quebec, Bravo, Sierra, Alvin, magandang gabi. Welcome to the X1 PRS Net Call. Okay, Alvin, from Alaala Rizal, at maraming salamat sa palagyang pagsuporta sa evening net ng DX1 PRS. 73, God bless, mabuhay at Happy New Year. Your station, 4 Hotel 1, Queen Bravo, Sierra is now clear. Any more station would like to join the net? DX1 PRS, standing by.
Acknowledge the station of Tito John. Delta Yankee 1 Mike Alfa Romeo from Indang, Cavite. 73, magandang gabi dyan.
Yankee Tango Yankee, kindly hold on yung pong May November, pakiulit po napasabay lang kay DY1 Yankee Tango Yankee. Nelson, kopya mo ba? Medyo mahina dating.
Walang pumapasok rito, Tito.
Reset po ng tango yung isang station at dahan-dahan lang po para maging klaro ang dating dito sa Calamba City.
Okay, Sir Paul Golf 1 Echo Hotel November.
Okay, Hermie, kindly hold on lang yung lahat ng station. Medyo mahina lang ang dating sa akin. Paul Golf 1 Echo Hotel November, Hermie, magandang gabi. Go ahead. Okay, Hermie, maraming salamat sa palagang pagsuporta sa evening net ng DX1 Perez. At one by one lang yung dating mo dito sa Calamba City. At 73, God bless, mga buhay. Your station, Paul Golf 1 Echo Hotel November is now clear. Yung po nag-relay ng station ni Hermie, Danny, ikaw ba yan?
Roger, Roger.
QSL, kindly hold lang 5 kilo Delta at unahin mo natin si Delta Yankee 1, Yankee Tango Yankee. Go ahead, magandang gabi. Okay, maraming salamat sa paalala. At ano nga pala yung handle? Go ahead. Okay, Arnel. At yung nag-update lang kami ng mga file namin. Registered ba yung call sign? QSL. Sige, Arnel. At maraming salamat sa palagang pagsuporta sa evening net ng DX1 Perez. 73, God bless, mabuhay. Your station, Delta Yankee 1, Yankee Tango Yankee is now clear. Next station, Group Auditor, Lima Delta Kilo. Dan, magandang gabi. Welcome to our Groups Net.
Yeah. Sa lahat ng istasyon na kantambay papatala sa dating palambatan ng grupo. Wala ibang mensahe kundi pagbati po ng magandang gabi at panimulang araw ngayong January 73 at salamat po.
TV1 Sierra Victor Sierra.
Okay, kindly hold on to kayo. Okay, maraming salamat Dan sa palagyang pagsuporta sa evening net ng DX1 Perez. At maraming salamat sa paalala at sa pagpasok ng bagong taon na maganda sana ating hinaharap. Your station, Paul Golf 1 Lima Delta Kilo is now clear. Next station, Delta Victor 1 Sierra Victor Sierra. Head ng Technical Committee, Tokayon John, magandang gabi.
Hello, Chris. Good evening. D1 PRF, TV1 Sierra Victor Sierra, Bilamin, Tito Dan, LDK, yon. Happy New Year, yon. DV1 Sierra Victor Sierra, supporting the Neto Power Group, DX1 PRF, 73, no more traffic, mabuhay.
Copy, likewise, at maraming salamat sa palagyang pagsuporta sa ating NetCall activity. 73, God bless, mabuhay. Your station, Delta Victor 1, Sierra Victor Sierra is now clear.
BV1 Whiskey.
Okay, Delta Victor 1, Whiskey Vic, magandang gabi at Happy New Year.
Ganun din po sa inyo, Happy New Year. Just supporting the evening of DX1 PRS. No traffic 73, mabuhay, salamat.
Okay, Vic, at maraming salamat sa palagyang pagsuporta sa evening net ng DX1 Perez, 73. God bless, mabuhay. Your station, Delta Victor 1, Whiskey is now clear.
Happy New Year, Vic.
Ray Romeo, for the net. Yung pong may isang may Romeo, pakiulit po ng call sign at napasabay lang po. Delta Whiskey 1, Victor X-Ray Romeo. Okay, Delta Whiskey 1, Victor X-Ray Romeo Ray, magandang gabi. Cavite, go ahead.
Likewise, magandang gabi rin sa iyo at magandang gabi sa lahat ng mga nakamonitor. This is CW1 Victor X-Ray Romeo. Join the net for DX1 PRS 73 and God bless. Salamat and Happy New Year to you.
Copy, likewise, Ray, si Cesar to, DU1 Papa Romeo Foxtrot ng Calamba City. At maraming salamat sa pagsuporta sa evening net ng DX1 Perez 73. God bless, mabuhay at Happy New Year. Your station, Delta Whiskey 1, Victor X-Ray Romeo is now clear.
Pa-relate ito.
Minus 40 kilohertz.
Good, Nelson.
May nagsasalita pa dito.
Yung pong isang station na napapasabay, good po, magandang gabi.
Ay, kukwenta po kay DU1, kay DV1 SBS, minus 40 kilohertz po kami sana.
Okay, Sel, ito kayo dyan, kopya.
Wala na. Sige ba, thank you.
Okay, maraming salamat po at medyo baka nag-SY na po si Delta Victor 1 Sierra Victor Sierra. Okay, good. 4H1 Lima Charlie Uniform, Nelson.
Acknowledge ko lang si Tito Jun ng DX1 Wapit. Maraming salamat sa sali sa gabing ugnayan ng DX1 PRS. Your station for Golf 1 Alpha Victor India is properly logged and clear. At si Marby Mac ng Cavite City, thank you sa pagsali sa gabing pag-ugnayan ng DX1 PRS. Your station for Golf 1 Tango Lima Delta is properly logged and clear. So station yan, Tito Jun.
UW1 Queen Echo Radio.
DU1 Hotel Lima Victor.
Romeo Oscar Mike.
Okay, Hotel Lima Victor at Queen Echo Romeo. Yung pong may isang station na may mic, pakiulit po ng call sign.
Romeo Oscar Mike.
Okay, kindly hold on, Romano, ha? At unahin lang muna natin si Delta Whiskey 1 Queen Echo Romeo. Romel, magandang gabi.
Likewise, good evening. Good evening to all fellow hams. Happy New Year to all. DW1 Queen Echo Radio checking in supporting the evening net of DX1 PRS 73. Mabuhay, keep safe everyone.
Okay, Romel, maraming salamat sa paalala at maraming salamat din sa palagyang pagsuporta sa evening net ng DX1 PRS 73. God bless, mabuhay. Your station, Delta Whiskey 1 Queen Echo Romeo is now clear. Next station, Delta Uniform 1 Hotel Lima Victor. Bani, magandang gabi.
Magandang gabi, Kuya Cesar, at sa lahat ng nakikinig sa Impapawid. Sumusuporta sa gabing ugnayan ng DX1 PRS, kasama ang aking buting may bahay na si Delta Yankee 1, Lima India. Si Tito Bani and Tita Leia from Pasig City. Keep safe, Tito Cesar.
Okay, likewise, Bani, at maraming salamat sa palagayan yung pagsuporta sa evening net ng DX1 PRS 73. God bless, mabuhay. Your station sa Delta Uniform 1 Hotel Lima Victor together with Delta Yankee 1 Lima India Leia are now clear. Next station, Delta Romeo Oscar Mike Alamano, magandang gabi.
Yeah, magandang gabi control, magandang gabi sa lahat na nakaantabay. Nagpapatala lang sa gabi-gabing lambatan. Wala namang ibang mensahe. 73. Happy New Year po.
Copy, likewise, Romano, at maraming salamat sa palagyang pagsuporta sa evening net ng DX1 PRS 73. God bless, mabuhay, at Happy New Year din. Your station, Romeo Oscar Mike, is now clear.
Hotel 1 Echo Zulu Foxtrot.
Hotel 1 Echo Zulu Foxtrot. Reggie, magandang gabi, Las Piñas City.
Likewise, good evening po, Tito Cesar. Ayun, Hotel 1 Echo Zulu Foxtrot, Tito Reggie ng Las Piñas. Joining and supporting 73 po, ingat.
Copy, likewise Reggie, at maraming salamat din sa paalala at maraming salamat din sa palagyang pagsuporta sa Evening Net ng Dex 1 Perez. 73, God bless. Mabuhay. Your station, 4 Hotel 1 Echo Zulu Foxtrot is now clear. Any more station would like to check in? Dex 1 Perez, standing by. Dex 1 Perez net call. Any more station would like to check in?
Shout out kay Nancy at saka kay Rodile Malinis. Shout out sa inyong dalawa. Nancy Labado Alfonso.
Your Z, Dex 1 Perez net call.
Poro Talwan, Yankee Quebec Delta, coordinate.
Okay. Portal 1, Yankee, Quebec Delta. Good, magandang gabi.
Po dito, magandang gabi po. Poro Talwan, Yankee Quebec Delta, joining the ending na call ng DX pang compassing, ay, DX1 PRS pala. Session na po, 73, mabuhay.
Okay, Jason, at maraming salamat sa palagyang pagsuporta sa Bingnet ng Dex 1 Perez. 73, God bless. Mabuhay. Your station, 4 Hotel 1 Yankee Queen Delta is now clear. Your Z, Dex 1 Perez net call.
4 Golf 1, November Tango Tango, coordinate.
4 Group 1, November Tango Tango, one of the net control station ng Dex 1 ART. And board member, good, Nick, magandang gabi.
Guys po, magandang gabi po sa lahat. Sa mga nakantapay, please like my station. 4 Golf 1, November Tango Tango, Nick ng Taytay Rizal. Just joining us supporting the Dex1 PRS Netcall po, 73, mabuhay. Happy New Year po.
Pasabay dito, Nick.
Likewise, Nick, at maraming salamat sa palagi ang pagsuporta sa Evening Net ng Dex 1 Perez. 73, God bless, mabuhay at Happy New Year din. Your station, Paul Golf 1, November Tango Tango is now clear.
Dito, Nick, palag sa inyo.
Likewise po, Tito Nelson.
Okay, any more station would like to check in? Dex 1 Perez, standing by.
Hotel 1 Bravo Delta Golf.
4 Hotel 1 Bravo Delta Golf Dindo, magandang gabi.
Acknowledge mo lang, Tito, at naka-portable daw siya.
Go ahead na, Nelson.
Acknowledge the station of si Tito Dindo ng Comembo Makati. From the group, the X1 ART, maraming salamat sa pagsali sa gabing ugnayan ng DX1 PRS. Ang iyong stasyon, Portal 1, Bravo Delta Golf is properly logged in. 73 anymore.
Okay, meron ba bang station na gustong mag-check-in sa DX1 PRS net call? You may call now.
For X1 Delta Bravo Sierra, Happy New Year.
Okay, for Hotel 1, Delta Bravo Sierra from the group, Fred, magandang gabi at Happy New Year.
Happy New Year sa inyo lahat at for H1 Delta Bravo Sierra for the net supporting PRS and the evening net. My handle is Fred, transmitting from Alabang Muntinlupa, no traffic 73, and Happy New Year to everybody. Over.
Okay, Nick, Fred, at maraming salamat sa palagang pagsuporta sa ating NetCall activity. 73, God bless, mabuhay at Happy New Year din. Your station for Hotel 1 Delta Bravo Sierra is now clear. Any more station would like to check in? DX1 Perez, standing by. Okay, 4 Golf 1 Kilo India X-Ray and one of the net control station and DX1 Charlie India Kicks, magandang gabi. Kape likewise Kicks at maraming salamat din sa palagiang pagsuporta sa evening net ng DX1 Perez. 73, God bless at mabuhay. Happy New Year then. Your station 4 Golf 1 Kilo India X-Ray is now clear. Okay, for Hotel 1 Echo India Tango Rick, magandang gabi Marikina. Welcome to this one Paris Net Call. Copy, likewise Rick, at maraming salamat sa palagiang pagsuporta sa evening net ng DX1 Perez. 73, God bless, mabuhay at Happy New Year din. Your station for Hotel 1 Echo India Tango is now clear.
Delta Victor 3 Zulu Bravo Whiskey.
Okay, Delta Victor 3 Zulu Bravo Whiskey Willie, magandang gabi. Welcome to the X1 Perez Net Call. Copy. At medyo 1 by 1 kayong lang yung medyo 1 by 1 yung dating mo dito sa Calamba City. Pero readable audio at pasensya na. District 1 yung napalagay ko kaya yun ang lumabas na pangalan. Okay, maraming salamat sa pagsuporta sa evening net ng DX1 Perez 73. God bless. Mabuhay. Your station, Delta Victor 3, Zulu Bravo Whiskey is now clear.
For Golf 1 Charlie Alpha Zulu.
Okay, Charlie Alpha Zulu, JR, kindly hold on. Yung pang isang station na napasabay, ulit po ng call sign. Okay, Ed. Okay, Ed, kindly hold on lang ha. Unahin mo natin si Paul Golf 1 Charlie Alpha Zulu. JR, magandang gabi.
Likewise, good evening po Tito Cesar. Good evening po DX1 PRS Net. This is station of 4 Golf 1 Charlie Alpha Zulu. Pakitala na rin po ang aking XYL 4 Golf 1 Charlie November Delta Sinjuan. No traffic, just supporting the net 73 mabuhay. Dito pa rin sa Dasmariñas, Cavite. You're coming here 5 by 7. Back to you, Tito Cesar.
KSL, JR, at medyo mahina lang yung dating mo sa akin dito at medyo siguro mahina manong propagation. At maraming salamat sa palagyang pagsuporta sa evening net ng Dex1 Perez. 73, God bless, mabuhay your station sa 4 Golf 1 Charlie Alpha Zulu. JR together with 4 Golf 1 Charlie November Delta Johan, net control station ng Dex1 EVM are now properly logged and clear. Next station, Delta Uniform 1, Kilo, India, Yankee, Ed, magandang gabi, San Pablo. Copy, likewise, Ed, at maraming salamat sa palagyang pagsuporta sa evening net ng Dex1 Perez. 73, God bless. Mabuhay. Your station, Delta Uniform 1, Kilo, India, Yankee is now clear. Any more station would like to check in? DX1 Perez, standing by.
DV1 Oscar Mike Victor.
Okay, DB1 Oscar Mike Victor Rolly, magandang gabi, Pineda Pasig, go ahead.
Yeah, good evening, Old Man Cesar. Good evening, fellow hams. Tama ba ako? Just joining the net of the X1 PRS, no traffic, 73, and mabuhay.
Copy, likewise, Rolly, si Cesar to, Calamba City. At Oscar Kilon, dating mo dito sa Calamba, wall-to-wall booming audio. At maraming salamat sa palagyang pagsuporta sa evening net ng Dex1 Perez. 73, God bless, mabuhay. Your station, Delta Victor 1, Oscar Mike Victor is now clear. Delta Victor 1, Zulu, United Radio on Portable Mike, magandang gabi. Okay, at maraming salamat Mike sa paalala at 2x2 lang yung dating mo dito sa Calamba City, Albion, naka-portable ka. At yung station Delta Victor 1 Zulu Romeo, Zulu Uniform Romeo, one of the net control station ng DX1 ARM, is now properly logged and clear.
For Golf 1 Alpha November India.
Okay, Alpha November India, kindly hold on ha. Yung pong isang may X-ray, pakiulit po ng call sign. Okay, Delta Victor 1, X-ray Whiskey Kilo, tama po ba? Good, magandang gabi, Percy. Okay, Percy. At Oscar Kilo pa rin yung dating mo dito sa sa Calamba City. Booming audio pa rin. At maraming salamat sa pagsuporta sa evening net ng Dex1 Perez 73. God bless, mabuhay. Your station Delta Victor 1 X-ray Whiskey Kilo stroke DU3 is now clear. Yung po isang station, pakiulit po ng call sign. Yung pong isang station na medyo na kasabay kay Delta Victor 1 X-ray Whiskey Kilo. Okay, any more station would like to check in? DX1 Perez, standing by.
For Golf 1, Papa Uniform Romeo.
Okay, for Golf 1 Papa Uniform Romeo, one of the net control station on DX1 Perez. Root Boy, magandang gabi. Welcome to our group's net.
Good evening, Tito Jun. Good evening, everyone. For Golf 1, Papa Uniform Romeo. Santa Rosa, Laguna, checking in and supporting our group net. No traffic, 73. Keep safe and mabuhay.
Copy likewise, Root Boy. At maraming salamat sa palagyang pagsuporta sa ating net call activity. 73, God bless, mabuhay. Your station, 4 Golf 1 Papa Uniform Romeo is now clear. For Golf 1 Alpha November India, Gani, nandito ka ba bagad?
Good evening, Tito John. For Golf 1, Alpha November India. Transmitting from GMA Cavite, supporting the evening net. No other traffic. 73, 5x9 po kayo dito sa lugaring ko. Over.
Okay, Gani, at maraming salamat sa munti ko na malimutan eh. At maraming salamat din sa palagi ang pagsuporta sa evening net ng DX1 PRS. 5x7 ka rito sa Calamba City at Booming Audio. 73, God bless, mabuhay. Your station, 4 Golf 1 Alpha November India is now clear.
For India 1, Alpha Tango Sierra.
Okay, Chris, kindly hold on na. Unahin muna natin ang YL. Okay, 4 Golf 1 Charlie Bravo Lima Josie, magandang gabi. Rodriguez Rizal. Okay, Josie, at maraming salamat sa palagyang pagsuporta sa net ng DX1 Perez. 73, God bless, mabuhay. Your station, 4 Golf 1, Charlie Bravo Lima is now clear. Next station and one of the net control station ng DX1 Wapi, 4 India 1, Alpha Tango Sierra. Chris, magandang gabi.
Yeah, magandang gabi. Ayun, nakakahabol pa rin. For India 1, Alpha Tango Sierra, checking in and supporting the net. 73, mabuhay. Happy New Year all station. Stay safe.
Okay, Chris, at maraming salamat sa paalala at maraming salamat din sa palagyang pagsuporta sa evening net ng DX1 Perez. 73, God bless, mabuhay and Happy New Year. Your station, 4 India 1, Alpha Tango Sierra from Putatan, Muntinlupa is now clear.
For Golf 1, Echo Delta Uniform.
4 Golf 1, Echo Delta Uniform. June, magandang gabi. Welcome to the X1 Perez Net Call.
Yes, likewise, magandang gabi and good evening to all station. For Golf 1, Echo Delta Uniform. Just joining and supporting the X1 Perez Net. 73 and mabuhay. Happy New Year. Thank you.
Copy likewise to kay June at maraming salamat sa pagsuporta sa evening net ng DX1 Perez. 73, God bless, mabuhay. Your station, 4 Golf 1 Echo Delta Uniform is now clear at Happy New Year din. Any more station would like to check in? DX1 Perez, standing by. Pakiulit po ng call sign at medyo dahan-dahan lang po. Nag-i-in-out ang dating dito sa Calamba City. Maraming salamat po. Okay. Victor Whiskey Lima, paki-advise po ng handle. Guide po, magandang gabi. Okay, MJ. At maraming salamat sa pagsuporta sa evening net ng DX1 Perez. At sana'y magkarinigan tayong muli. Your station, Delta Whiskey 1, Victor Whiskey India, Victor Whiskey Lima from Lucena City is now clear.
Delta Zulu 1 Delta.
Okay, one of the net control station ng DU Digital Net, Delta Zulu 1 Delta, Don, magandang gabi.
Gandang gabi dyan, Manong Cesar. DX1 PRS. Checking in, 73. Happy New Year. Salamat.
Okay, Don. At maraming salamat sa palagiang pagsuporta sa evening net ng DX1 Perez. 73, God bless. Mabuhay at Happy New Year. Your station, Delta Zulu 1 Delta is now clear. Any more station would like to check in? DX1 Perez, stand by. Okay, Delta Uniform 1, Whiskey India Echo, and one of the officer of DX1, Sierra Papa Charlie Tito Ed, magandang gabi. Welcome to DX1 Paris Net Call. Okay, Tito Ed, at maraming salamat din sa palagiang pagsuporta sa evening net ng DX1 Paris. 73, God bless, mabuhay. Your station, Delta Uniform 1, Whiskey India Echo is now clear. Paki-ulit po ng call sign at medyo 1 by 1 lang po yung dating dito sa Calamba City at dahan-dahan lang po at nag-i-in and out. Wait po. Okay, Mike, Bravo, Mike, Minando, magandang gabi. Welcome to the X1 Paris Net Call. Okay, Minandro, at medyo mahina lang yung dating mo dito sa Calamba City. Pero pagka nagdahan-dahan namin ay readable audio rin. At maraming salamat sa pagsuporta sa evening net ng DX1 Perez 73. God bless, mabuhay. Your station, Mike Bravo Mike is now clear. Any more station would like to check in? DX1 Perez, standing by. For Hotel 1, Foxtrot Romeo. Tito, paki-advise po ng handle at saka location para sa update ng file. Magandang gabi po. Kopya, Ruth Boy, kopya mo ba? Andito ka ba?
Negative, Tito John, in and out at scratches sa akin.
QSL Foxtrot Romeo, paki-advise nga po ulit ng handle. For Hotel 1, Foxtrot Romeo, great po. Okay, Francis, at maraming salamat sa pagsuporta sa evening net ng DX1 Perez. at sana'y magkarinigan tayong muli. 73, God bless, mabuhay at Happy New Year. Your station for Hotel 1, Foxtrot, Romeo is now clear.
41, Mike Victor Lima. Sir, Ivan Alpha Zulu India.
Okay, Rapi, kindly hold on at mahina lang yung dating dito sa akin ni ng Tagalocena City. For Golf 1, Mike Victor Lima. Edian, magandang gabi. Welcome to our groups net.
Good evening po, Tito Jules, kay Alpha Boy. Good evening sa lahat. 41, Mike Victor Lima, supporter groups na 72, mabuhay. Salamat po.
Okay, Edian, maraming salamat sa palagang pagsuporta sa ating net call activity. At medyo maganda siguro ang propagation at nakakalusot ka dito sa Kalamba. 73, God bless, mabuhay at Happy New Year. Your station for Golf 1, Mike Victor Lima is now clear. Next station, one of the net control station ng Ham Philippines, 4 India 1, Alpha Zulu India. Rapi, magandang gabi si Cesar to ng Calamba City. DE1 Terep, go ahead.
Likewise, Tito June, this is for Ivan Alpha Zulu India. Nagpapatala po at sumusuporta. Magandang gabi po at Happy New Year.
Okay, Rapi, at maraming salamat sa pagsuporta sa aming net ng DX1 Perez 73. God bless, mabuhay at Happy New Year. Your station for India 1 Alpha Zulu India is now clear.
For Hotel 1, Bravo Zulu Eco.
For I1, Papa Yankee.
Okay, kindly hold on muna. At unahin mo natin si 4 Hotel 1 Bravo Zulu Echo. Meloy, magandang gabi. Welcome to DX1 Perez Net Call.
Guys, good evening to all station. For Hotel 1, Bravo Zulu Eco. Checking in, supporting the net. No traffic. 73, salamat.
Okay, Meloy, at maraming salamat din sa palagyang pagsuporta sa net ng DX1 Perez 73. God bless, mabuhay. Your station for Hotel 1 Bravo Zulu Echo is now clear. Yung pong isang station na napasabay pa, guide po magandang gabi. Paki-advise fully na call sign.
For India 1, Papa Yankee.
Okay, Mon, nandito na. Okay, go ahead. For India 1, Papa Yankee, magandang gabi. Das Marinas, Cavite.
Magandang gabi po, Control. This is for India 1, Papa Yankee, Handle Namon po from Dasmariñas. Also from the group Mapcom Philippines, DX1 Mike Charlie Golf. Joining the net lang po at 73 po sa lahat ng nakamonitor.
Cresel, Mon, sino yung isang Mike Charlie Golf?
QSL po, DX1 Mike Charlie Golf po. Mapcom Philippines po.
QSL, okay. Okay, Mon, at maraming salamat sa pagsuporta sa net ng DX1 Perez 73. God bless. Mabuhay at sana'y magkarinigan tayong muli. Your station for India 1, Papa Yankee is now clear. Any more station would like to check in? DX1 Perez, standing by.
Permission.
Go ahead.
Acknowledge ko lang dito itong dalawang station sa akin na acknowledge station of Tito Han ng Albay from the group DX4 Bravo Romeo. Thank you for always supporting the X1 PRS Evening Net. Your station Delta Whiskey 4 Romeo Hotel Echo is properly logged and clear. Magandang gabi dyan sa Bicol, Tito Ham. Acknowledge ko din po ang station ni Tito Jesse ng Calaca, Batangas from the group DX1 EBM. Thank you for always supporting the X1 PRS Evening Net. Your station Delta Whiskey 1 Victor Oscar Sulu is properly logged and clear. Magandang gabi dyan, Tito Jesse sa Batangas. 73. Back to you, Tito Cesar.
Sino yung isang station yun na?
Delta Whiskey 4 Romeo Hotel Echo.
Okay, maraming salamat Nelson sa relay uli at the stations of Delta Whiskey 4 and Romeo Hotel Echo, Delta Whiskey 1, Victor Oscar Zulu are now properly logged. Any more station would like to check in? DX1 PRS, standing by. Meron po ba nakakakopya?
Wala dito.
Paki-advise po ulit ng call sign, guide po at mahina lang po yung dating dito sa Calamba City. Ay, pasensya na po Tito at medyo hindi ko masyado maintindihan. At mamaya po pagka merong nag-check-in na medyo malakas ba makaparelay kayo. Maraming salamat po. Meron po ba nakaka-kopya sa station? Guide po, magandang gabi. Paki-advise po ulit na call sign. Dito paki-ano na lang po sa FB Live at medyo hindi lang po makopya dito sa Calamba City. Meron po kaming FB Live, Nelson Paralehas. Paki-advise na lang po doon para ma-acknowledge kayo. Maraming salamat po. Any more station would like to check in? The X1 Perez, standing by.
TW1 Yankee, Uniform Golf.
Okay, Delta Whiskey 1, Yankee Uniform Golf. Boy, magandang gabi. Lipa City.
Likewise, magandang gabi Control, magandang gabi PRS. This is DW1 Yankee Uniform Golf, Lipa City, checking in, and 73, mabuhay, Happy New Year.
Copy likewise, boy. Si Cesar to, DU1 Papa Romeo Foxtrot ng Calamba City. At maraming salamat sa pagsuporta sa Evening Net ng DX1 Perez. 73, God bless. Mabuhay at Happy New Year. Sana'y magkarinigan tayong muli. Your station, Delta Whiskey 1, Yankee Uniform Golf, now clear. QRZ, DX1 Perez net call. Any more station would like to check in? Okay, Delta Whiskey 1, Queen Echo Whiskey. John, magandang gabi. Copy likewise sa Tukayin June at maraming salamat sa palagiang pagsuporta sa Bingnet ng DX1 PRS. 73, God bless. Mabuhay. Your station, Delta Whiskey 1, Queen Echo Whiskey is now clear and Happy New Year.
For Golf 1, Echo November Delta.
For Golf 1, Echo November Delta. Good, magandang gabi. Paki-advise nga po uli yung call sign at ma-update lang dito sa file. Good po.
Tito Cesar, si Delito, si Del, sukat para niya kay paki-update. Hindi pa yata na-update ni Kuya Nelson. Anyway, supporting the X1 PRS as always with no further traffic. PU1 PUR, for Golf 1 Echo November Delta. 73.
Okay, Del, at ano ko nga lang kay Kirot Boy. Siya kasi nag-update ng file namin eh. At maraming salamat sa palagiang pagsuporta sa net ng DX1 Perez 73. God bless at mabuhay. Your station for Golf 1 Echo November Delta is now clear. Next station from Valenzuela, Delta Yankee 1 Oscar Sierra Sierra Rico. Magandang gabi.
Guys, good evening dyan sa Laguna. And Happy New Year. And good evening all around. Joining the net, no other traffic. 33.
For Echo 1 Hotel.
Ayaw po may hotel, ulit po ng call sign at may napasabay lang.
For Echo 1 Hotel.
For Echo 1 Hotel, Tito.
Okay. For Echo 1 Hotel, kindly hold on lang Acknowledge ko lang si Lito. Maraming salamat Lito sa Rico sa palagiang pagsuporta sa evening net ng DX1 Perez 73. God bless, mabuhay. Your station, Delta Yankee 1 Oscar Sierra Sierra is now clear. Next station for Echo 1 Hotel. Go ahead, magandang gabi.
Good evening, Control. Good evening, DX1 PRS. This is the station for Echo 1 Hotel. Join and supporting the net. No traffic, 73, mabuhay. Maraming salamat po. God bless.
Okay, at maraming salamat sa for Echo 1 Hotel sa pagsuporta sa evening net ng DX1 Perez 73. God bless, mabuhay. Your station for Echo 1 Hotel is now clear. Delta Victor 1 Yankee November Juliet. Larry, ikaw ba? Go ahead, magandang gabi. Copy, likewise, Larry. At maraming salamat din sa pagsuporta sa Imninet ng DX1 Perez 73. God bless, mabuhay. Your station, Delta Victor 1 Yankee November Juliet is now clear. Delta Yankee 3 Yankee Tango Echo Mikoy, magandang gabi. Copy, likewise, Bikoy, at nag-tweeting to po lang dating mo dito sa Calamba City. At maraming salamat sa pagsuporta sa evening net ng DX1 Perez 73. God bless, mabuhay, at Happy New Year. Your station, Delta Yankee 3 Yankee Tango Echo is now clear. Any more station would like to check in? DX1 Perez, standing by. You're set. DX1 Perez net call. Minutes before we close the net. Any more station would like to check in? DX1 Perez, standing by.
Tito, MBI.
Okay, acknowledge asan si Robert Nelson at hindi ko makakopya. Yung kindly hold on. Yung pong isang may alpha, pakiulit po ng call sign. Okay, tag ito. That's all, kindly hold on at mahina sa akin dun si Paul Jean. Okay, Paul Golf 1, Bravo Kilo Alpha. Paul Jean, magandang gabi.
Gandang gabi, Tito. Gandang gabi sa lahat. Happy New Year. Sa party niya, si Venus Colo po ay 73.
Copy likewise, Paul Jean. At pasensya na, medyo mahina lang yung dating dito sa Calamba City, pero nakopya ka rin naman. At maraming salamat din sa pagsuporta sa Evening Net ng Dex1 Perez, 73. God bless, mabuhay. Your station for Golf 1, Bravo Kilo Alpha is now clear. Nelson, paki-acknowledge lang si Robert at nasaan ba siya, Gwen?
Narito sa live at mukhang wala sa bahay.
Okay, sige pa, kaya acknowledge mo na lang dyan.
Acknowledge your station, Tito Robert and Juliana. Kung nasan man kayo, magkama, acknowledge your station, Tito Robert ng Binyan, Laguna, also from the group. Thank you for always supporting our your station. 4 India 1, Mike Victor India is properly logged and clear. Back to you, Tito Jun.
Okay, maraming salamat, Road Voice sa relay. Ayun pong isang station na napasabay, pakibalik po. Go ahead po, yung pong isang station na napasabay. Nelson, kopya mo?
Negative dito.
For Golf 1, Yankee Juliet Charlie.
Yankee Juliet Charlie, Tito.
QSL, maraming salamat. For Golf 1, Yankee Juliet Charlie. Raymond, magandang gabi.
Likewise, good evening, Tito Jun, at salamat sa relay, Tito Nelson. For Golf 1, Yankee Juliet Charlie, checking into the net of Delta X-ray 1 Papa Romeo Sierra. With no traffic, 573, Happy New Year, mabuhay.
Copy, likewise, Raymond, at maraming salamat sa palagyang pagsuporta sa Evening Net ng Dex1 Perez. 73, God bless, mabuhay. Your station for Golf 1, Yankee Juliet Charlie is now clear.
For G1 Whiskey Uniform Foxtrot.
Okay, Paul Golf 1, Whiskey Uniform Foxtrot, Secretary Amor, magandang gabi, Net Control Station.
Magandang gabi kasi sir, Intel Stations and Monitor for G1 Whiskey Uniform Foxtrot, checking in, supporting our group net. No more traffic, 73.
Copy, likewise, Amor, Secretary na NCS pa ba? Good, kailan?
Hindi pa na-set up ko.
QSL siya, sige, pagka wala tong pandemic na to pag-antena, party antena tayo dyan sa inyo. Okay, maraming salamat, Amor, sa palagyang pagsuporta sa ating net call activity. 73, God bless, mabuhay. Your station, Paul Golf 1, Whiskey Uniform Foxtrot is now clear.
For I1, Alpha Golf Juliet.
Okay, Paul India 1, Alpha Golf Juliet. Go ahead, Dachel, magandang gabi.
Good evening, Tito June, and good evening, all station. Just checking in and supporting our net at 73 dyan, at Happy New Year.
Okay, maraming salamat, Edsel, sa palagyang pagsuporta sa ating net call activity. 73, God bless, mabuhay, at Happy New Year muli. Your station for India 1, Alpha Golf Juliet is now clear. Meron po ba nakakakopya? Maraming salamat po.
Negative dito, Tito Jun.
Likewise, negative.
Okay. At meron pa po bang habol sa net call activity ng Dex1 Perez? Magandang gabi po. Root boy, kopya?
In indulgence. Pakibalik po yung gusto mag-check-in. This is 4G1 PUR for the pullout. Go ahead. Pakibalik po. Medyo napakan ka ng isa. Tito John, Mike, Charlie, Kilo. Tito, may prefix ba? Mike, Charlie, Kilo, may prefix ba tayo? Mike, Charlie, Kilo, go ahead. Please give your name at saka yung location. You're coming here 5 by 8 sa akin, Santa Rosa, Laguna din ako. Ang name po? Anong name natin? Okay, Christian, you're coming here 5 by 8 sa akin, Santa Rosa, Laguna. Thank you for dropping by at 73. Back to you, Tito John.
Okay, maraming salamat Truth Boy sa relay at Mike Charlie Kilo lang yung handle niya, yung call sign.
Yes, sir, Mike Charlie Kilo.
Okay, maraming salamat Truth Boy. Any more station, last call, any more station would like to check in? Time check, 9:05 p.m. Okay, wala na po. Acknowledge po natin ang 71 stations na na-participate sa DX1 PRS Net Call ngayong gabi. Unahin po muna natin sa member station. Delta Victor 1, Uniform Lima Mike, Francis. Delta Victor 1, Kilo Whiskey, Mexico, Alaric. 4 India 1, Lima Tango, Oscar, Vincent. 4 Golf 1, Delta Queen Juliet, Dr. Aina, together with Whiskey 6 Echo Uniform Golf slash DU1 Jean. 4 Golf 1 Pin Alpha Zulu. 4 India 1 Bravo India Jojo. 4 India 1 Echo Romeo Tango Eric. 4 Hotel 1 Lima Charlie Uniform Nelson. 4 Golf 1 Lima Delta Kilo Danny. 4 Delta Victor 1 Sierra Victor Sierra June. 4 Hotel 1 Delta Bravo Sierra Fred. 4 Golf 1 Papa Uniform Romeo Root Boy. 4 Golf 1 Mike Victor Lima Adrian. 4 India 1 Mike Victor India Robert. 4 Golf 1 Whiskey Uniform Golf Amor. 4 India 1 Alpha Golf Juliet Edsel. 4 Echo 1 Alpha Victor Charlie and 4 Hotel 1 Echo Charlie Bravo. Nanette. Okay, the French station rejoin the net call on Dex1 Perez, Delta Uniform 1 Alpha Zulu Sierra, Delta Uniform 1 November Tango Zulu, for Mike Alpha Romeo, 4 Hotel 1 Queen Bravo Sierra, Delta Yankee 1 Yankee Tango Yankee, 4 Golf 1 Echo Hotel November, Delta Victor 1 Whiskey, Delta Whiskey 1 Victor X-Ray Romeo, 4 Golf 1 Alpha Victor India. Tango Lima Delta Whiskey 1 Queen Echo Romeo, Delta Uniform 1 Hotel Lima Victor, Delta Yankee 1 Romeo Oscar Mike, Delta Yankee 1 Lima India, 4 Hotel 1 Echo Zulu Foxtrot, 4 Golf 1 India November Tango, 4 Hotel 1 Yankee Queen Delta, 4 Hotel 1 Bravo Delta Golf. 4 Golf 1 India Kilo, 4 for Golf 1, Kilo India X-Ray, for Hotel 1, Echo India Tango, Delta Victor 1, Zulu Bravo Whiskey, Delta Victor 1, Oscar Mike Victor, for Golf 1, Charlie Alpha Zulu, Delta Uniform 1, Kilo India Yankee, for Golf 1, Charlie November Delta, Delta Victor 1, Zulu Uniform Romeo, Delta Victor 1, X-Ray Whiskey Kilo, for Golf 1, Alpha November India. For India 1, ang Alpha Tango Sierra, for Golf 1, Charlie Bravo Lima, for Golf 1, Echo Delta Uniform, Delta Whiskey 1, Victor Whiskey Lima, Delta Zulu 1 Delta, Delta Uniform 1, Whiskey India Echo, Delta Yankee 1, Mike Victor Mike, for Hotel 1, Foxtrot Romeo Romeo, for India 1, Alpha Zulu India, for Hotel 1, Bravo Zulu Echo, for India 1, Papa Yankee Yankee, for DW4, Romeo Hotel Echo, Delta Whiskey 1, Victor Oscar Zet, Delta Whiskey 1, Uniform Yankee Uniform Golf, Delta Whiskey 1, Queen Echo Whiskey, 4 Golf 1, Echo November Delta, Delta Yankee 1, Oscar Sierra Sierra, 4 Golf 1, Bravo Kilo Alpha, 4 Echo 1 Hotel, Delta Victor 1, Yankee November Juliet, Delta Yankee 3 Tango Echo, 4 Golf 1 Yankee Juliet Charlie, and last but not the least, Mike Charlie Kilo.
At ito, pahabol ni Delta Whiskey 1, India Hotel November, si Tita Imelda. From the group GSP Shares.
India Hotel November. Okay, Melda, at properly lag na lang yung call sign. Good. Paki-acknowledge mo lang siya.
Acknowledge your station, Tita Imelda. Pakihabol na lang po yung address at ilalagay ko po rito sa record ko. Walang address, walang location, QTH mo. Acknowledge your station, Tita Imelda. Thank you for supporting the X1 PRS. Ignite your station, Delta Whiskey 1, India Hotel November. It's properly locked and cleared. 73. Ay, mali pala. Delta Yang. At ito, pahabol pala, Delta ay, nasa na ba yun? Nawala. Gumulo. Delta Yankee 9 pala to. Delta Yankee 9, India Hotel November, Reynante Gorgolon. Pasensya na po. At pakihabulan lang po yung complete call sa inyo, QTH at saka handle and look itong club i-re-record ko na lang. Magandang gabi po diyan, Reynante Gorgolon sa Delta Yankee 9, India Hotel November. Ito, Delta Yankee 9 pala yan, India Hotel November.
Okay, sir. Nelson, at may naman dito. Wala lang address. Yung niya, QTH. Pero club, IBM din. Go ahead. Okay, maraming salamat, Nelson, sa relay.
Welcome, Tito. Dito lang.
Okay. Thank you, Lord, for the assistance and support you have given us and for making this net call successful. Members and friends who participated to just concluded net call, may we have safe evening ahead. In the name of our Lord. Amen. This is your net control station formally closing the net and the frequency 145.340 is back to its normal use. Magandang gabi po sa lahat. 73. Mabuhay at Happy New Year po muli.
At ito, acknowledge ko lang yung isa rito. Humabol doon sa Kilo India Mike. ng Aplaya Mamatit po sa Laguna din yata to. Acknowledge Church Station, maraming salamat sa pag-support sa Gabing Ugnayan ng DX1 PRS. Kilo India Mike, magandang gabi dyan sa lugar mo. At 73, maraming salamat. God bless to all.
Nelson, yung 4F1, Kilo India Mike, good.
Kilo India Mike lang tito yung binigay niya. Hindi ko pa papahabol ko lang mamaya at medyo niya eh. Ibigay ko na lang sa iyo record ma'am pag yung na ayos na.
Okay, Salo. Kasi sa record natin may nakalagay 4F1 na Kilo India Mike. Sige Nelson, at update na lang natin mamaya. Maraming salamat.
Sige tito, dito lang.
Okay, Chris, magandang gabi.
Thank you very much for supporting DX1.
Nahahabol din. Okay, Chris, at maraming salamat sa palagang pagsuporta sa Evening Net ng DX1 Peras. At kahit tuloy hindi ka nakalilimot. 73, God bless, mabuhay, at Happy New Year. Your station for Hotel 1, Lima Echo Sierra is now clear.
The 1PRF for H1 LCU.
Go ahead po.
Ano tawag dito, Tito Nelson at saka Tito Cesar, yung last na nyo, na ano tawag dito, yung net call sheet, sa akin, pakipasa, i-kopya nyo, tapos bigyan nyo ko ng kopya, yung pinaka-last nyo na, kagaya ngayon, kay Tito June, para ma-i-update ko dito sa atin, sa master list, ang mga add-ins tapos para itong January, ma-fresh natin yung ma-i-add natin yung mga pumasok na bagong stations.
Copy tito.
Okay, sige na Ruth Boy, at rin doon sa tawag dito, ni Nelson. Tali na lang natin para updated tayo.
Yes, sir. Sige. Ito lang, QRX.
Sige, at mag-input lang ako sa GC.